Hey, we ended up having to go and cut the video work short. The surface, once the dust started kicking up, was just not safe on the mini bike. The moment I goosed it, I was spinning the rear tire. It's a drag bike. It's not meant for long haul. And so we had a lot of fun at Trunk or Treat. And Jethro was a pea in a pod to go along with Jesse being a skeleton farmer. We had a bunch of skeletons on the front of Van Hollen. John was a knight in cardboard armor. And I was a skeleton stunt driver going with my mini bike. So we had a lot of fun. It was great to be there. We support Unity Raceway anytime we get a chance to. They're really good people. If you're ever up here in Maine on a Friday night and you can manage to go there, it is totally worth it. There's plenty of hotels and campgrounds and stuff all within like a half an hour drive of the place. So even if you're just stopping in and then you got to figure it out afterwards, it's not that big of a deal. Anyways, thank you very much for supporting us and have a good day. Say bye-bye, Jethro. Bye-bye. Good job. Okay, we're working on it.